Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to cast Twitch to Samsung TV. Let's go. Open Smart Hub. Settings. All settings. Or use settings button. General. Network. Expat settings. Turn on. If you have an iPhone, turn on AirPlay. Open network status. Check your network. Your TV and your smartphone, iPhone, must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Enable screencast option. Select your TV. Open Twitch app. Done. That's it. Now you know how to cast Twitch to Samsung TV. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.